Close your eyes now, beloved seeker, and feel it, that invisible weight you've carried. The doubts, the not enough, the shadows clinging to your worth. Today, we dissolve them all. Breathe in. And as you exhale, release the lie that abundance isn't yours to claim. Now, imagine roots growing from your feet, deep into the earth's molten core. With each breath, visualize crimson fire rising through these roots, burning every financial fear, every I can't, every ancestral whisper of scarcity. Let the 396 Hz frequency be your torch, reducing all blockages to ashes. Now, see the vacuum left by what you've burned. Nature abhors emptiness. So watch as liquid gold light pours in, filling every cell with sovereign worth. This light carries codes of contracts paid, of opportunities magnetized, of doors unlocking before you knock. Breathe it in. This is your birthright. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Say with me now, I am a conduit for divine abundance. Money flows as easily as my breath. My energy is sacred. No shadow may linger here. Feel that shift? That's your soul remembering its power. When you open your eyes, carry this certainty. The universe isn't testing you. It's training you. So return to this frequency often. Each time, the blocks will fall easier, the gold will flow faster, and your light will burn brighter. Until then, beloved alchemist, stay open, stay ready. The flood is coming.